Ever hear a weird sound from your fridge, washing machine, or air conditioner and instantly panic? You're not alone. Machines make noises for a reason, and most of the time, it's not as scary as you think. Let's start with the fridge, that clicking or humming. Usually, it's just the compressor turning on and off, or the refrigerant moving through the pipes. Occasionally, it sounds strange because the fridge is leveling itself tiny movements that make surprisingly loud noises. Next, washing machines. Ever hear banging during a spin cycle? That's often caused by an uneven load. A heavy towel on one side can make the drum hit the sides, or in older machines, worn shock absorbers amplify every movement. It's noisy, but usually harmless if you balance the load. Air conditioners are next. The rattling, popping, or hissing? That's the metal expanding and contracting from temperature changes or air moving through ducts. Sometimes it's just the fan brushing a wire or blade. Again, alarming, but mostly normal. Even cars make weird noises. Squeaks, clicks, or pops can come from suspension joints, brakes, or cooling fans. Most are nothing serious, just metal and rubber doing their job. The key idea here: machines talk in sounds. Those noises are warnings, alerts, or just byproducts of normal operation. Ignoring the sounds can be risky, but panicking usually isn't necessary. So next time your fridge hums, your washer bangs, or your AC rattles, remember your machines are just talking. You just have to listen.